Now that we have learned how we can play with our main shed dimensions and the structure and the different claddings, walls, slabs, awnings and mezzanines, let's understand how we can change the aesthetics of it, mainly colors. If you're using Shedmate already, you might have noticed that's very intuitive. You can click on any of the elements and you have the ability to change the style, the corrugated, uniclad, rib, OP panel, all of the different cladding options we have there, and also the colors. And we use by default Colorbond colors, right? So you can search any, for instance, like blue gum, and then it's gonna automatically show a few different options. And you could do that just item by item, but there are faster ways to do that. And one of them is by using the colors and style in your main panel. By clicking on colors and style, you can select a specific color and apply that to all of the shed and all of the doors. Please notice that you might be having an issue that if you apply for the whole shed, your awnings, they won't have the color applied. So if you have that problem, just click on the roof and the wall and just change that individually there. It's not a big deal, very simple to be done. That's just something we're working on. But continuing on the Shedmate interface, if you want to change the whole color design, you can do it here, or you can actually click on show advanced options, and that's gonna break it down by item, and you can make your manipulation directly from here. So just showing here quickly a specific change. If I want to change all of the external walls to woodland gray, I could just continue doing this for all of the elements individually, and I can just select the color I want. So this allows you to be very flexible in what items you want to change for your specific customer. And then you might have those customers that would say, hey, all right, cool, but I would like to have not all of my flashing the same color. I want the specific ones in the front to be different. You can also do that, and you cannot do this directly here on this interface. This changes all of the roof, for instance, from trim deck to corrugated. But if you click on that specific flashing, for instance, this bar trim here, I could actually go on the top and click on this button that says Edit Individual Flashing. By doing this, I can select just that specific flashing and just change to whatever I want. For instance, terrain. So once again, I'll do this for the other one. And there we go. So you can change all of your colors and style directly by going to the colors and style. You can use the advanced options to change that based on specific items like roof, external and internal walls, and all of the rest of the list here. Or you can change it just by clicking on each one of those specific items and just changing the color directly on the selector that shows up on the top as soon as you select an item. This is it. Now let's jump to the add things and see what else you can add to your Shedmate project.